What's up, everyone? Antoine Webb here from Culture Matters. Standing with me today is Joey Chan, CEO of Custom Design Carpentry, Inc. Welcome, Joey.
Hey, thank you for having me, Antoine.
Absolutely, my pleasure. So, Joey, let's just tell us a little bit about yourself, what got you into the business, and what exactly your business is all about.
Yeah, thanks. I started this business back in 2003. This is doing basically carpentry. I used to be a kitchen designer, so I had a lot of people come up to me and say, hey, do you offer installation services and things like that? And at that time, I was always turning them down because I worked for somebody else, so I couldn't do that. And then I decided, hey, why not do this for yourself? So that's when I decided to get into business for myself. And then finally, I can offer them cabinets and installation services as well. So, over time, I've kind of expanded the business a little bit. I also have done home inspections back in 2008 as well.
Okay.
And then I'm also a investor as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so anyway, going back to the business itself, we specialize in kitchen and baths because that's what I know best. We do home additions, attic levels, we finish basements, finish attics, and everywhere else in the house. We basically specialize in carpentry. We can install doors, windows, fine trim, anything like that we can do.
Wow, that's awesome. So really right now we're speaking to our real estate investors who are out there and they're looking to, add a notch to their tool belt, someone who's reliable, someone who is on time and very diligent and easy to reach, would you say?
Yeah, definitely. Pick up my phone all the time. Just don't call me after 12 a.m. though.
12 in the morning, the guy's probably gonna sleep. But hey, so Joey is someone that you want to put him in your back pocket, take down this number here, so that this way, the next time that you're on your renovation project and you're searching out, trying to find quotes to, increase this property value, Joey is your man.
Definitely.
So Joey, where else can we find you? Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn?
Yeah, I'm on Facebook as well. I run a couple of Facebook pages. I have one page that's called New Jersey Contractors Connect. That's one of the pages I run. Another one, which is more focused for investors, is it's called Cash Buyers for Distressed Properties.
I'm part of that group.
Yeah.
Good. So guys, hey, I hope you got some great value from this. Here is a contractor that is a stand-up guy, good all-around person, and someone that you would be happy that you gave a call to come take a look at your next property. So friends, you're here with us again. Check us out on the internet, www.culturemattersuniversity.com. Check you on the next one.